Today, Kamm and I are staying in Rayong at the Hilton Garden Inn. This hotel ranges about, let's say, $60 per night. It's in the center of Rayong next to Central Plaza, which is a shopping mall. And that's very convenient because you can just walk 50 meters and you're at the shopping mall. You can buy snacks or whatever, but we will get to that later in the video. First, let's start with the room.
I personally like the layout of the room. Even though the sofa is in front of the bed, the TV is big enough to watch from bed. And of course, we got a minibar, safe and complimentary water.
Not big, but we're not gonna see any sea view, but yeah. See the main road view. And let's see the toilet. Oh, it's already on. โอเค มี toilet นะคะ toilet seat แล้วก็เป็น shower head โอเค here's the gym หู maybe we can do yoga here อะไรมี water มี first aid
Matrix, solid brand. For hotel gym, more than enough.
นี่ we can do yoga here ไง
You can watch football.
Good
hotel.
you can jump on that ปะ
ใช่
โอ้แต่ถ้า jump your head gonna knock the wall for surely ระวัง
Next, let's check out the pool. It's on the 25th floor and you get a great view over Rayong.
โอ้สวยมาก
ไหน
The pool is not that big, but I prefer to chill on the beanbags anyway. They also have a sky lounge. On a hot day, you can just go inside and turn on the AC. Good for work or reading a book. That's really up to you. Oh yeah, if you book with Agoda, use code Sven to get 10% off at checkout or book by using the link in the description.
Oh, what a life. You have no idea how comfortable this chair is. I think all that's missing is a coffee or a cocktail right now.
so comfy and it's not so hot today enjoy it here
So the swimming pool and gym look nice, but for me, that's not the most important thing. I need a really good breakfast. I need good coffee in the morning, so let's check out the breakfast next. Let's hope they have good coffee.
Well, what can I say? First time I was disappointed with the coffee because it was too bitter. I like it sweet. In general, the breakfast had more potential. It was a bit frustrating because on one hand, you had really good stuff, for example, a fresh omelette. On the other hand, the pastry was underwhelming. So with the current breakfast, you have to find the good stuff and stick with it. In my opinion, the restaurant area is a bit small. We've noticed that during peak hours, where we almost didn't get a seat.
But let me know in the comments, what is the most important thing to you when you stay at a hotel? Is it a TV? Is it a Wi-Fi? Is it the bed? Let me know in the comments.
The next thing I want to show you is amazing. The hotel is super close to Central Plaza. I mean, look how few steps we had to take to get to the mall. Every Central is kind of similar. You got big brands, street food, a cinema, or if you only want to go for a walk like I do.
If you are on a tighter budget and you want to stay in Rayong, I recommend the Holiday Inn Express. If you want more information, just watch this video next.